And a good evening from Theme Park Tempo for the third time. So we're in the same shirt, but 3 different videos at least. Back at it again, this time at the Branson Gem Mining Mountain Coaster. You did one of these before? The Copperhead Mountain Coaster? We're gonna do it now. Come with us and join me on this wonderful ride. I love my first mountain coaster. Hopefully the second is just as good. Welcome to Theme Park Tempo.
Every day, theme parks on my mind. Ride the big coasters, leave the world behind. Theme Park Tempo, loving every ride. Theme Park Tempo, feel the thrill inside. Feel Tempo, stream it every night. Theme Park Tempo, stop me, ride the light.
I don't really understand the process of signing a waiver to go on a roller coaster. You know the inherent risks involved, but I guess because it's not an actual theme park, you have to. Maybe rules and laws are different here in Missouri than they are elsewhere. But yeah, we're waiting to sign a waiver. So we signed our waivers. We're paying. It's 18 for a driver. If you want to be a passenger, it's 14. The second ride's not bad. VIP line upgrade for $11. You control the speed of your car. Can't exceed. This one's 300 pounds. The other one was 375. Interesting to see how the two coasters compare. We have gone in line. It seems to be a bit less of a queue than the first mountain coaster we were on. Seems to be a bit more lit up too. Doesn't seem that bad of a queue. What's up, guys? Here we go. And apparently in this one you could find lots and lots of wildlife, including copperheads, bears, owls, bobcats. Cool, we found one. Now, most likely, the way I'm doing the videos is these videos will probably drop after the Six Flags St. Louis video. So if you're already watching those, just know this is happening beforehand. So yeah, about maybe 15-ish people ahead of us. The line is moving quicker than the other coaster was for sure. It looks really nicely lit up. We should be on just shortly, guys. Essentially what we're doing is what you see in the video there. Let's do it.
You're ready.
Let's rock. Alrighty, guys, we are off on this lit up coaster. We don't gotta do anything until we get to the very top, and then we can push down. Oh, this is lovely. This is really beautiful. These mountain coasters are fun, they're cool, they're exuberant. Hello, other mountain coaster rider person. Hello, we got a wave. Beautiful. Actually, we're actually going down an incline, but it's controlled by the actual chain lift, which is nice. And they said it's a 5-minute climb to the top. We're about 39 seconds now. Apparently it's all the way to the top. Okay, let's do it. It is anything like the Copperhead one we rode earlier. We're in for a surprise and a nice treat. Branson, Missouri. This is... I'm really falling in love with Branson. Like... This is awesome. I'm loving this. This is such a cool feeling. It's a very long lift hill. They weren't lying. So you're gonna deal with 5 minutes of me doing commentary. What can I talk about? What's going on in the theme park world? Disney's new GAS system is upsetting a lot of guests that, you know, feel they used to have the AS, now they don't have it. Yeah, that's going on. If you have any thoughts about that, leave those in the comments below. I'm actually not going to touch and give you my opinion. It's a very touchy subject matter. Here we go. Here to next sign is 80 feet. Thanks for that. And it's another 80 feet to the next sign. Okay, good to know. Interesting for sure. We're about 2 minutes into the climb now. Yeah, this is a... but it's so nice. Where else you get in the middle of the woods like we are now. I sound like a bear, but I feel like that was a speaker pumped in some sounds. Yeah. No, but definitely this is where you find the wildlife. This is where they can get you. And I guess you signed the waiver just in case like a bear wants to come out here and like maul you and attack you. I guess that's what the waiver's for. I didn't actually read the waiver I signed. I just wanted to get in the queue as quickly as possible.
To give you an idea of what 80 and 180 feet of distance looks like, please stay 80 feet behind the cart in front of you or 180 feet behind the cart in front of you in wet track or dark conditions. Thanks for riding. The tallest,
This is the tallest, most longest mountain coaster, something like that. There's a record on this. It is a long one, so I'm assuming it's longer than Copperhead Mountain Coaster earlier. 3 minutes into the climb now. It's a lengthy climb. Hey, but the track is well lit up, and the person in front of me is way more than 80 feet ahead, I'd say. It looks like you gotta zoom up the top of that lift. The way that car went pretty fast up it. And isn't this? Oh, now a little dropper here. And then that's why, because we hit a little, yeah. You don't really zoom up. 3 minutes, 42 seconds. Should be close to the top now-ish. Closer-ish to the top. Yeah, the other mountain coaster started you, it took you out, and that was the mountain coaster, and then it brought you back up. This one's a chain lift first, and then it drops you off. Oh, cool. Let's see. 4 minutes now. Should be just maybe just right up past here, and it looks like it's just down the side of that, off to the right, but it's a straight shot back. I've been on dark ride shorter than this. Can get some decent speed. Pretty pumped. Should be a nice exuberant thrill. It's longer than 5 minutes because, you know, it's about 20 seconds, and it's going to take us longer than 20 seconds to get there, but approximately 5 minutes to the top.
have fun.
Suppose disconnected, car will stop and beep. Ah, good to know. Don't unbuckle your safety belt. I don't know why you would, but I think this is the end where we hit some speed. And yeah, this is it. We are on the course now. Let's do it. We push them down. Here we go. Wow. Yeah. Okay. How? Oh my God. How? You got some nice speed coming around these turns here. Oh God. Whoa. Airtime. I got airtime on that. How? Oh God. Yo. How? How? This is magnificent. How? Oh, beautiful scenery. Airtime, airtime. How? 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 Oh, this is great. Oh my God. Oh, that is a tight turn. I feel like oh, it slows you down. It stopped me just there. I don't know why. Maybe a car was too close or I was going too fast, but that stopped me. That broke. Huh, interesting. I never stopped. And we're stopping again. I don't know why. Huh. Getting towards the end now. And I took you twice. And that's gonna be it. That's gonna be the end. Oh, that was nice. About a 2-minute ride once you get to the top altogether. They do have some block brakes on there. But compared to the actual Copperhead one we did earlier, you got airtime on that. The twists and turns weren't as good and wasn't as fast in some parts, but you got airtime on that, and that was amazing. That was exemplary. Heck of a time here. That was wonderful. And we should get my buddy Corbin literally coming in right behind me just now. And there he is. But yeah, all in all together, what a great coaster. Actually, now thinking about it, I prefer this over Copperhead. Both are still amazing rides though, regardless. This is just set up a little bit better, and it's a lot better operated as far as getting people on and off the coaster. And now the coaster only is back to what it was again originally. And there's no matter where you are, you're gonna exit into some type of gift shop. Case in point here. And that's going to be a wrap today, guys, from Theme Park Temple here at the Runaway Mountain Coaster. It was a blast, and actually, compared to Copperhead Strike, I do prefer this. But all mountain coasters that I've been on have been great so far. It was such a blast ranking up these credits here in Missouri. I love it. As always, guys, if it's your first time to the channel, do me a favor, like and subscribe down below. Until then, we'll catch you guys next time.
Theme Park Temple, loving every ride. Theme Park Temple, feel the thrill inside. Theme Park Temple, stream it every night. Theme Park Temple, stop, beat, ride the light.